Hi, hi. My name is Gia, and I have made this unique app where you could um generate your age into like hours, and yeah, and I'll show you how it works. So my I am 9 years old, and you can put whatever age you want in there, and then you press calculate and it says 78,840 hours old.